Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Tune 120. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. First, you take a look at your earbuds. This is the left earbud and this is the right earbud. Press twice on the left earbud to go to previous song. Press once on the left earbud to go to next song. Press once on the right earbud to pause or play, and also press once to answer and end the calls. Press twice to activate voice assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.